Joining now in studio is Gretchen Olt. She's a Vice President of Global Sales with Kimberly Parry Organics Incorporated. KPOC is their stock symbol. Gretchen, welcome back to the program.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Now, for those who missed the last time we had a nice chat on the program, we were talking about your impressive resume and some of the companies you've worked for. Can you give us a little bit of overview of that again?
Sure. I began my career at Neiman Marcus in their buying program. Was a buyer for them across several categories. Went from Neiman Marcus to Pottery Barn for private label and product development. Went on to Highmark HVAC and learned about medical retail, accessories, just global product development and global retail with them.
Now, this is something I just mentioned to another guest a few moments ago, but you can work anywhere in this business. What was it about Kimberly Parry Organics that attracted you?
Sure. The product. In the end, I found a product that is organic, the formulations are superior, and they work. And ultimately, that's what I'm looking for a skincare or a beauty brand.
Now, I know you've hit the ground running since getting with the company. We had a conversation before going on the air. A lot of things have happened in the 2 or 3 weeks since we've last seen each other. Why don't you bring us up to date?
Sure. I used the analogy a minute ago. We threw all these hooks in the water over the last months and getting our retail ready path and marching order. And all of a sudden you do that so that you can fish for dinner tomorrow night. We're ready for Thanksgiving. Everyone is biting. Everyone is excited about the products, the formulations, and what Kimberly Parry Organics is going to bring to the global skincare market. So it's been a very fast-paced, exciting, busy month for us.
Now, you're going to get even a lot busier. I understand the company is working on a global commercial, which is just going to bring more business your way.
Absolutely. When you're launching a global brand and really working with Kimberly Parry Organics, one of the number one questions we get is, who is Kimberly Parry? And we wanted to have a commercial that would introduce, speak to the brand, let everyone know who Kimberly Parry is, the why and how of the products, and it's something that will go right into our merchandising for all of the products globally.
Well, of course, Kimberly herself is such a great story, how she started the company, how she got into the business of doing this. So I can just imagine people will see that commercial and really kind of fall in love with her.
She's so easy, like you said, to fall in love with. And it's one of those things that you just gravitate to and you want to engage in her products. And you want to learn more about those stories and the way that she takes ingredients that you already know and love and she formulates them together to then do something that is what you already have to do with skincare. People are going to be over the moon.
It's fun talking to you because you are definitely on fire. You're excited about the product. You're enjoying what you're doing. The success has come very, very quickly. What can we expect next?
Sure. The Asia Pacific market has really exploded for us in the last 6 weeks. We just signed a $1 million letter of intent for a first 1 year distributor. We're working in the channels of distribution from spa and salon, resort retail, and also in direct marketing to consumer for the Asia Pacific market. That deal globally, or for that territory for the first 5 years, will be a $15 million partner. So we're very excited about that. I could touch on the other territories around the world. North America is booming at the moment in our endemic regions, as well as our Mother Nature organic boutiques have really gravitated and gotten behind the brand and with the consumer.
I would have to think that the spa market is really important because it's sort of like you're selling the product, but it's also being demonstrated for you. And once people have become accustomed to the product, and again, we'll use the term fall in love with the product, they want to buy it, and that just opens the doors for you.
Absolutely. It's that's the perfect recipe, is to have them experience that pampering or that spa product and then enjoy that same pampering in their bathroom at home. I will say that with the Kimberly Parry Organics line, organics became such a trend, and there are so many different levels of organics and how you can market the product. And I felt like everyone put organic or natural on their products and didn't necessarily mean that it worked or that the performance were there or you were accomplishing what you wanted your product to do for you. So I think that there's a little bit of an uphill battle with that, and that they need to say, oh, this isn't just another Me Too organic product. Really look at her ingredients. They are what they are. There's no water, there's no fluff, there's no fillers. And then it will actually do what it says it's going to do to you. It's a reducing eye puffiness eye cream. It's a daily moisturizer that hydrates your skin. The performance value is there that you would get in your chemical products that you would have purchased in the past.
I love your enthusiasm. Once again, the company is Kimberly Parry Organics Incorporated, KPOC is their stock symbol. Gretchen, congratulations on your success. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.